Okay, so hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my closure wigs. So if you want to know, I'm not going to make this at all long. I'm going to get right to the point. So if you guys want to know how I install my closure wigs, stay tuned for the video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to wake, pray, and slay, because Paris taught you. So as you know by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my wigs. I actually had a supporter. I don't like to call you guys subscribers or fans or anything of that sort. I watch YouTube videos too, so I don't like when people be calling me a fan, because it's like, no, I'm not a fan. I just support you in what you do because I like watching your videos. So a supporter actually reached out to me and asked me to show her how I apply my wig. She wanted me to make a video of it. So she also stated that she wanted me to show her how I apply my closure wig. She didn't state a frontal, she stated a closure wig. So I do have a closure wig, which is looking kind of dusty, but I'm going to show you how you can turn your old wig looking real good. Okay, this wig has been in my wig basket. I say I've had this wig for about 7 months now, probably longer. I actually purchased this hair from the beauty supply store. I have 2 videos on it, so if you're interested, I'll just leave those links down below so you can know my thoughts on it. So as you can see, well, you can't see my braids, but I do have cornrows. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cornrows just straight to the back. Yes, I put 7 braids in my hair. Then I just threw on my little raggedy stocking cap. This is actually a stocking cap from CVS. It's more so knee highs. I like to wear these because they fit better, and then they come in a variety of colors. So I have my handy dandy wig, and I'm just going to apply it on my head. I don't have any clips. This is not an adjustable band in the back or anything. It's just a wig I made myself. So yeah, I'm gonna actually push my stocking cap back a little bit just to get it out the way. So my wig is on. Now I basically have to secure it. This is actually something that you guys can do on like an everyday basis. The next clips might be sped up because I don't feel like I need to really go into detail. You guys basically will learn just by